Hi guys, I've downloaded Ubuntu Cinnamon. I thought, why not? Why the hell not, right? Let's play with it. So Super 7 and then clone Ubuntu Cinnamon UC. And we put it in. And we test it out. And with each installation you always learn something, like pressing the E button and say, quiet splash, and that's it. Okay, escape. There's a save graphics, and for laptops that we'll sell basically. OEM, have a look, what was it again? And now we boot up. We've got this little thing turning, so that's cool. So we don't know what's going on at the back end. Was it Control F2, F3, F4? There was a way to see what's comes on. Here, what's that? F1? That's F2, one of those guys, and can actually see the lines again. Well, I prefer not to do that, because otherwise if anything red is in there, I won't see it. I'll see a nice spinner and know nothing. English, yeah, sure, try, no, install. No, doesn't mean it's gonna be that one. Normal, minimal, web browser, basic, just take normal. Updates, nah, let's not waste the time. Continue. Just want to have a look. Is this really gonna stay black? I think so. I would have imagined there was something gonna pop up, a wallpaper of some kind. Black is gonna say. Advanced features, those are the advanced ones. X4, okay. Still living in Brussels, check. Yep, and yep. There's use Active Directory, right? That's for companies. That's interesting. Let's read. Snap Store, Ubuntu Software Archive, categories, okay, Rhythmbox, music player. To each his own liking, of course. We've gone for Lollipop. Spotify is there, VLC is there. I second that. All good. Thunderbird, I'll just stay in the browsers, but that's me. Don't want that. WPS for the bits, the few bits I do. It's gonna be exactly like Excel on Microsoft, exactly like on Word. No curve, learning curve, losing time, where is what. WPS is an exact copy. That's interesting, I'll look for it. Right? Designing, rising. It is true, and I have to repeat it, that people should think out of their box. Do not think all the answers are on ArcoLinux. The same answers can be found on EndeavourOS, on Manjaro, on Ubuntu, on ArchWikis, on Gentools. This project, ArcoLinux, has been built with all the knowledge from the internet. I've never confined myself to a certain Linux distribution. It is all Linux. And anything, and this really is true, it's not as organized as Gentoo, as ArcoLinux Wiki and other wikis, but it is professional. The answers we get back there are professional. And you feel that those guys are paid, must be, right? And with that knowledge, I apply it on Arch. I apply it on ArcoLinux. I apply it anywhere I go. And that's the power. It's not structured, but whatever you're looking for, you just scroll down once, an answer, first a question, and then you scroll and boom, you get there an answer that's as complete as possible, as professional as possible. So that's cool. Don't click away if you end up in an Ubuntu website giving you the solution, talking about sudo apt install, right? You do something else, but that's it. So I don't know why he's retrieving files, because I told him not to update. Is he? I think he is. I don't know. User setup. This seems to be like it's an internet thing. Anyway, let's wait a little bit longer. It was definitely downloading because it just said, I want to download things. It's removing all kind of things now, cleanup process. Purging stuff. Yo, HTTP, there we go, right? Belgian Archive Ubuntu. He's getting something. Let's pause again. I just saw one of the texts and I said, what is that? It said Linux HWE. HWE. And I said, what's that? I see Linux HWE generic package as part of the kernel so you can install in Ubuntu. What is hardware enabled? Brand new hardware devices are released to the public always more frequently. Yeah, there's always a 6 months release. So hardware enabled, catching up the newest hardware technologies. All right, didn't know that. So there are extra and here's another one. Enabled stack. So that's the text I just saw. This one I'm going to read as well. Hardware changes very rapidly in world of information technology. To expand the kernel hardware support without reducing stability. Okay, we know enough. Let's restart. The red bleed, the spectre is there. And this is Cinnamon, right? So Linux Mint Cinnamon, ArcoLinux Cinnamon, ArcoLinux Cinnamon. I mean, this is Ubuntu Cinnamon. That's nice. Jellyfish. Let's see if it knows my hardware. Control F, Control F. Nope. So let's tell him that I have more room. Desktop, 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 display. Then that one, apply, keep this thing. Yes, we know the default message of Cinnamon. Can we do this? Yes, we can. So we've got the themes that can be fun. So this is the orange theme now. Looks nice. It's called Yaru Cinnamon. There is more. If we like it, we keep it. There's Ubuntu Cinnamon Dark. They went for the dark theme. Good guys. Where is the white one? Oh, the red glass. Why not? The white glass. Also a nice one. Haven't seen that in a long time. That's nice. Let's go for the white glass. And then this one. Okay. Those are our settings. Font selection 1111. I'm already happy with 11. Effects. All kinds of effects. Okay. Backgrounds. Lots of backgrounds. Right. Blobs. Oops. What's this? Update notifier. No, I'm not gonna update you. DE. Oh my god, that's so wrong. DE German. No. No, 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 no. So. Azerty? That's there. Oof. But DE, why DE? Because it's Ubuntu. Ubuntu, 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 Ubuntu. It says Belgian. That is correct. Why do you see set DE there? Why do you set DE? Out of my way. German, Belgian, here you are. Remove. Add. The rest. Can't type, we have to scroll. Belgium is not there. That's nice. How about Netherlands, Belgium then? Always the same issue with Ubuntu. Still not solved. Again, maybe my mistake. So Belgium, I don't see it. Netherlands with an N or something. Netherlands. How is it possible that the Netherlands is not in there? I think it's still a country. Other. Oh my god. No. Alright. It's an iBus preference, so I don't think I'm gonna have troubles. But I don't want to see DE there. Damn, I do have troubles. Back to this one. Keyboard, shortcuts, layouts, Belgian. Remove. Can I remove? Now I can remove. Then we put the correct one back. And we hope that we got a working system again. This one should go. Stop. Control T. AZERTY. My God, this is too much work. What are the applications we're getting? There's GTK hash. Never decided to install it. Check it out. We have a game, chess, Mayung, Sadako. That's an interesting one. Until you figure out that if you do just at random, you get higher than if you think about it. Then that's a deal breaker. And surfn, Remina, what was that again? Desktop client, yeah, connecting to something else. And then Okay, Office, LibreOffice, anything else? Calendar, yeah. Sound and celluloid, and that one. Administration, HTOP is there, Snap Store is here. Software updater, disk creator, system monitor. Preferences. What's that? Text doc X. Okay, we need stuff. It says. There's window tiling. Oh yeah, okay, sure. Maximize instead of, so that's what I always put on. If I do this, I want to have that. If you set it off, it's not gonna do that. Don't like half. Doesn't make sense. Not really tiling, but yeah, okay, got it, tiling. Now, timing, 60 minutes. Nope, I'm not gonna update. Let's have a look how much. This could take a while, it says. Do we have an estimate of how much gigabyte? Let's see through the icons of sardi and surfn. Let's do that. That's that. SourceForge. Come on. Sardi icons. Sure, sure. I accept their shit files. Click. No, I don't think I clicked. Click. Download for anything that's faster. Austria, nah. Stockholm. Sweden is always faster. Speed is, it's there. Okay, surfn, zip. Extract, yes. Extract, sure. Then we have this, we have that. We're gonna move it to dot icons if it exists. It exists. We've set our mouse cursor, I guess, already. White glass. That's important, that I should wait. This one. So in the downloads we have the surfn master, it's still busy. Sardi icons we can copy paste. Yep. And surfn, Control A somewhere here. Then we have a look. Themes, icons. Where are you? Did I close this? Icons. Oops. All in default. Control A. Okay. Super X. One level up. Super V. Then have a look. Now it takes time. It's going over all the folders, 48 folders, to have a look and say, okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? All right. Gonna go for sardi flexible arc. Anything that's not blue should be created. So this one should be created. Let's go for scroll through. Firefox, that would be amazed that that's not there. So tip for the guys on Ubuntu. Tip on the guys on Ubuntu. You go to Fogalong. fix icon, hardcode fixer. I think that's better, but let's see. Hardcode fixer. Okay. You download this one, download zip, go to it, extract it. Okay, my mistake. Whoop, extract it, run it as sudo fix, and then the curl is not there. Okay, sudo pacman apt install curl. Run. It's gonna get a file from the GitHub, is gonna check, and 4 things have been checked, 4 things have been changed. So the mistake of the maintainers, of the builders, of the developers is to hard code an icon, and this one fixes that. But Firefox is not in there. That's strange. Why would Firefox be not known, right? It's quite alright. Just 2 of them, and a very strange app I've never heard about. But Firefox. Why Firefox? So you go to the file system, user. No, doesn't work. User. Yeah, now it works. Share icons, and there we are. No, not icons. Applications. All the way up. That's also a way how to check. So this one, text editor. Oh my god, they have renamed it to Org GNOME 2048. 2048. Why not 2048? No, 2048. Okay, we'll change that. Let me open up the browser. I'll write it down immediately. On the github.com, Eric Dubois. So if you want an icon, you go to Eric Dubois' GitHub. There is the sardi one there. Many sardis, but there is just one sardi. And you can always do a issue, new issue. Come on, new issue. And then we say Ubuntu. And I need to know the name. So icon equals org.gnome. capital 20, and then 40 is capital and 8 is capital, and that's actually 2048. Well, it's in there. And then when we are creating icons, I'll add it. That's a strange thing. That's the hard-coded path, right? They should not do it. Point. That's it. They should not do that. They should just call it IBIS Unikey full point. And let the developers, the icon developers, do the rest. There was another one. Firefox. Where's Firefox? It's nice here. So in the menu, we have this one. Firefox. There was one special one I've never heard about. Snap Store as well. This one, text doc, something with text doc, open with, and it has no icon. If there is no icon, we can't give it an icon, right? And it's up on its own. Whatever. You can't solve all the problems in the world. That is a whatever. That's up to the developer. So Snap Store, is that here? It's not here. So we can't create anything either. Again, they shouldn't do that. Should have something in here. Unless sometimes we have to do an ls, and then I do an ls grep snap, and there is something in here. Snap handle link desktop. Okay, snap handle links desktop. Where is that? That's the user agent. And what's this name? There's also an EO. It's always a problem, right? Times goes a waste. Waste. There's no icon in there, so no work for us. And the other one is snap handle. Okay, no problemo. So the only thing that remains for me as a strange thing, that's Firefox. So let's take something else. Let's take themes for surfn. We need to check them as well. Surfn core gear looks like this. Now, of course, Firefox is looking great here. Right. What's that? Image magic, color depth, and no icon there. All applications. Image magic there. Okay. And if we take another one, sardi flat, we get this. That's not our icon, right? No, nothing to see here. Unless use custom icon and label. No, not really. So the icon is coming from somewhere else. The icon is coming from somewhere else. How is it even possible? File system, user, share, applications, Firefox. Open with text editor. Control find icon. Icon is Firefox. Perfect. There's nothing I can say. It's perfect, but no, there's no but. It's perfect. So why? Control H. Icons, Firefox. We are now on sardi flat, scalable apps. Firefox. This is Firefox. That's my look. Ah. It changed. No, it didn't change. This one looks okay. But for some reason, this one does not look okay. So I'm thinking of the next step. That would be create a new icon theme cache. What if we do that? Create. Now we've created a new sardi flat. I need to log out maybe. Let's not do that. There are always these mysteries, right? Strange. There's music when we log in. Ain't that nice? Now I reach to the point where I say, what a fun, right? What a fun. Must be something. Sure. What might it be? Where is it getting it from? Not from the theme. That's the theme. All right, it's whatever for me. All right, guys, this was my quick escapade to Ubuntu Cinnamon. It is all cinnamon. It's always fun to have it on other systems. Panel settings, applets to install, to download. The popular ones seems to work as well. 200. Your life goes by installing all those. All right, have fun. End of the video. Cheers.